Yeah, Dredos. Welcome to episode 1010. You could be doing anything, not really, but you're here, so thanks. If you don't know, this is Patreon night. This is not a standard stream, so you're just gonna have to deal with it, man. Alright, Bitcoin 9821. Hanging in there. Just a little bit, alright? So here we go. Gonna join the Patreon voice chat. We're gonna hang out, have a good time. What's up, Swing Trade Bros? Good to see you, man.
I think it was like 9:36 was like the first stop.
Hi, we're live. Just FYI.
Gotcha. Sorry.
Why apologize? I was literally, anytime I come in here, I just say we're live, so everyone knows, like, you know, just in case.
Gotcha. It was 9:13 ropes, or 9:20, I think, was the first initial target on SSL. Can't tell it. Yeah, 9:20.
Yeah, it's booming, dude. SSL Connect. But I don't know, man. Like, Tap's trying to catch up or keep up in a way, right? It's not as good.
Everything is just, it's so beaten down, this catch. A lot of value, money is point. You're looking at the volume on these things that are
UA, look at that volume.
A ton of money. Yeah, you know, it's
dude, what about GE, right? Ugh. GE.
Everything.
Yeah, man. And now it's like a lot of tech, or a lot of the big ones that were recovering earlier, they're like meandering around, not really doing much now.
The big cap stuff is all
the funds have seen they're like, let's put our money somewhere else.
Yep.
The rotation, like you were saying. Yeah, Boeing too, right? What a joke. God.
Yeah. All the airlines, man. It's just, it's
UAL.
like a stop base.
Yeah, I mean, all the airlines. It's like, all right, they're gonna.
Does anybody watch the Barstool President?
Yeah, Dave Portnoy.
Yeah, that guy. He was posting. He had a video about his stocks and his airlines.
He's Long Spirit.
Yeah, Long Spirit.
Crush that. Father.
Norwegian. You know,
yeah,
he's like, I paid more money than the brokers on Wall Street.
Yeah, he was also down $3 million to start off. He couldn't trade with the crap, and then just held on to stuff as it kept going down more and more, and had unlimited cash behind him.
Yeah, so, he just got like 400 million, right? Didn't he sell Barstool Sports
to Penn? Yeah, Penn, which is one that I got in at like $9. It's been insane.
And gaming, or
Penn National.
Pin 15 Club.
I want to get in on sports gambling, but I don't want to have as much casino exposure. I was like, what can I look at? And there's Boyd and Penn Gaming. I was like, all right, a little bit Penn.
The DraftKings one, what is it, like Gal or
Donkey Kong?
Donkey Kong, yeah.
DKMG or something like that.
Dude, you want to talk about Las Vegas Sands, man? Oh my God, Las Vegas Sands is like this. It's so. Look at this, dude. Look at that accumulation, you know, and it's like you don't have to say sell walls. You can say there's a $53, $52.92. You'll see it in a second. It's just ridiculous. Look how good it looks. Las Vegas Sands. This is the one. Remember, Larry? This is the one that called Corona on its bearish pattern. The bearish Gartley. Anyone remember this? You'll see it in a sec.
Yeah, because I think it was the same time that we did Penn Gaming.
Probably. Yeah, maybe. I mean, maybe not. This was back beginning of the, this was the date, January 17th, coronavirus news break. I even tweeted about this, and it just started dumping, lower high. All targets hit, Casey Stubbs' targets even hit, too.
Yeah, right away.
Oh, it was stupid, dude. It was stupid.
Stubbs is like, this is a quick trade. This is why I do the CNA for the TNA.
CNA for the T, and I like it, dude. Let's get him on the show. So let's reach out to him and get him on this stream. You know what? I'll try to interview. I did a lot of stuff in college for interviewing and stuff, so I could definitely do a static video and interview him. But I would prefer to do it in person. That would make it way better. Same with Bulkowski.
Oh yeah, you gotta do it in person.
Yeah.
Dude, could you keep a straight face in Bulkowski these days after his last book?
Oh, that would definitely get brought up. That would definitely be the interview.
He said he doesn't do any interviews on like his page or something. Like he won't accept any.
That's so wild.
Like I guess he likes to just keep low key and do charts.
Hang out with his dog and do some gardening in the backyard. All right, that's his thing.
Hey, what do you think about like Activision and Take-Two and like these other game stocks? Kind of look like inverse oil.
They're just stay at home. You could lump it in there with Netflix, Clorox.
Yeah. They're gonna get some profit taking.
Yep.
So the things that are up the most will get profit taken out of them.
Well, I think it's
into other things.
It just depends on the way the macro goes, right? Like if we get a reversal to 786, these could reverse and run to the upside again, right?
Yes. Or if we have new outbreak, the stay at home is where people are going to fly into again, and the mega caps and bonds and the dollar.
Yeah, look at the lower high created. That's not good, right? How often do you get those lower highs before going lower? You're back inside the channel too. Even though I see the whipsaw and stuff on the bottom and top, that's what happens, Larry. When you get whipsaw, you get breakouts. That's like why, if you remember gold with that falling wedge recently that broke down, like it broke the demand line. Let's go to it real quick. This is just whipsaw talk for a sec, kind of random. Hold on, God. All right, so well, that reversed. Hey, it did reverse there, like on the shark, man. Nice. Anyway, the wedge, let me just bring it up real quick, and then we can get back.
2.19054872 link.
Hey, that's X27's what she said. Thanks for the $9.80 of link. What a name, dude. 27, that's what she said. Thank you, dude. So it's the whipsaw, right? You fell out of the pattern here. And so we know our targets for wedges are always the 50% and the 618. This one, I don't know, man. I thought I wanted the 786. That might have been a log. This is never mind. I'm trying to go with a good example here. So we barely fell out of the wedge. So we barely broke above the target, right? That's like what whipsawing can do to the price action. Like if it falls out, it can spring back and outperform because of this move here. It's weird. But anyway, sorry, I digress. You had me thinking. I had to get calories in, so I drank one of those Slim Fast Energies. So, I'm kind of jacked right now.
This is very
Nuh-uh. Is it a fake? Hold on. Keto Drink Troll.
Keto
what?
Drink Troll tipped $25.
No.
This
No.
is the Craig Wright of Corona.
verified.
I don't know. It just happened. We're about to find out, I guess. Because he had an imposter like 2 days ago or something. Like multiple times. Oh my god. It is confirmed.
Verified.
Super scary.
Bruh.
Can we get some goes in the chat? It's real. It's confirmed. Yeah.
Man, Ursula.
Dude. Ursula.
Do I know Ursula? He's like, you're like, yes. And that's so many words that doxing you, which.
Docs, dude, that's all I do, man. All I do is docs. All right, Cabot. Sorry. Yeah. Dude, I'm scared now. Chat, I'm scared. Hey, Keto Drink Troll, guess what? Someone got me. I got today with a John Belushi on the 25. And I chugged. I made it for chugging. Before I even said hi tonight, just rewind the stream. First thing I did. Boom. Super scared now.
Drink Troll pretty hard right now. He's triggered, you know that, right?
Why is Drink Troll triggered now?
Because somebody hit the chug.
Oh yeah, true that. True. And he's been trying, man, to get it. Yeah, it's real.
Trying extremely hard.
Dude, I was surprised. Like, it's like, how did that not happen? How does it, like... It's a 6% chance. It should happen occasionally. I don't know.
Probably over time it has done. I mean, you give it enough time,
Yeah.
you know, a big enough sample size, it's going to work out. Yeah.
I am, confidence in gold's waning, right? Getting less and less. Dude, you made a lower high. Lower high. Didn't see it, didn't happen. Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Keto drink troll
Okay.
$25.
I think you have risk on until probably mid-July. Summertime.
Before it dumps. Well, that's
I think very similar to what we had last, unless, you know, obviously,
Thanks, Keto drink troll.
spike, but right now, like, NASDAQ is stricter regulations on Chinese stocks. They don't care. It doesn't matter.
Oh god, Irukandji jellyfish. Dude, chat. Oh, man.
Irukandji jellyfish tipped $25. Another one. Clinking bear mugs.
Super scared now. This is getting froggy up in here, man. Yeah, you're right. So it's like what, the yield's breaking out, right? The yield's breaking out.
Yield's breaking out means 10-year bond is getting sold.
And that and it's like, this is like probably why gold is starting to paint a bearish pattern, and could very well,
more risky assets are getting
bought
right now. Yes.
And risk off is getting sold because people are. I don't know why, right? It's insane. It's like, oh yeah, the world's getting back to normal. Okay.
Oh, I mean, you have part retail traders and then part the smart money that is feeding the fire a little bit, and then they'll dump American Airlines on their head. I hate to say.
Yeah, but when
American Airlines still has a ton of debt, still likely to file Chapter 11.
Here, Drink Troll might buy them soon. Right? Keto Drink Troll has got to buy some company, one of these companies, right?
V-Chain Airlines.
V-Chain Airlines. Nice. Instead of, he buys Virgin Galactic, you know. He just buys, why would he not buy Virgin Galactic to compete against Elon, right? That would be the ultimate buy.
That would be the ultimate troll.
Yeah, he would be trolling, but he would, him versus SpaceX, it'd be perfect.
They'll probably just make some sort of partnership through V-Chain.
Dude, that would be the wonderful marriage. Because the V's, right? Virgin Galactic and V-Chain partner.
Or Drink Troll's partnered up with Amazon right now with Bezos and Elon. Elon
Don't use the name
tweeting
John Belushi
at him
today.
with the president
Stinky cheese, Doritos, chips.
basically having his back to tweet whatever he wants to do.
Thanks, Keto Drink Troll, for 25.
Saying time to break up Amazon.
Oh my god. Dude, we just got an imposter. Jeez. We have an imposter in our midst.
On the tips, you had a confirmed and then an imposter.
Yep. Back to it confirmed.
As long as there's a confirmed, that's good. That's right. There's an
Dude,
imposter.
read this most recent contribution from Keto Drink Troll. That's
Oh my god.
that's triggering, dude. Remember, V-Chain.
How are those puts doing that were working so well?
Well, they did work well. They
triggered.
I mean, like, as long as he took profit when he said he did, he was good.
Took profit.
The double top at the 3618 fib extension was gorgeous, man. All right, we can't deny that double top, lower high. That was when you went puttish or whatever and dumped.
Yeah.
And then it's so crazy, man. Like, where it went before it reversed. It hit that freaking old supply line of the right-angled and descending broadening formation.
Yeah.
Well, I mean, its lowest point, 350, and it's now 860.
When it broke out, yeah.
Hey, dude, it finally did it, though, right? That's like, you think eventually it's going to hit 899 to fill the effing gap.
Yeah.
That was the target.
Short interest popped up pretty high today. So
Because the 886 and the gap. Oh, look at the divergence. Yeah. Jesus, look at this. I mean, kind of on the MACD, the RSI is kind of weird, but dang, waning positive Momo, 3 days in a row below. I mean, you went 4 days.
It's like they looked like they no, because it was a gap fill.
Remember, this is the back.
Come down to fill the bottom gap and then short squeeze, and then I'll get in the next day. Once they squeeze people. They remember the time they did it last. They had the huge short squeeze on them, and then the next day just dumped and rolled over from there.
Yeah, I don't follow it every day, but remember this. I mean, it's maybe a little too shallow. You know, we could try to make it work or whatever, but this was kind of the idea, 88% retrace, right? This is where the reversal could happen, right? Right here. This is the banish bat. Oh my god.
I bet you if you use the next.
Wait for it, dude. Wait for it.
Oh, wow.
Jeez. Dude, that is literally shots destroyed. Shots fired. With that's the AA-12 going off. My god. What say you, Probst?
Oh, his YouTube interview is going to be posted here pretty soon on the Tesla website. Saying Tesla's #1 fan, just scrolling across the bottom.
Wow.
We can play games. Drink troll.
Drink troll. Okay, the ball's in your court, man. All right, let's go to the Bitcoin chart where the symmetrical triangle is plotted, so we can take a gander. That's falling back into it right now, it seems. There it is. Yeah, you're just not doing well. It's just like you're drowning here. You're just trying to hold on. Look how, oh man, see, that's so weak. That's not a good sign, chat. If we don't even test 99.50, it's kind of bearish, man. Like, you gotta test it. If you don't, it's just worse than testing and failing. That's worst case scenario is what's going on right now. Aww, wholesome contribution. Wow.
Drink troll tip $25.
I don't know, man. We might be able to pull off the rising 3 methods here. We got the 3 red candles.
We could. Probst.
You approve of my retroll? That's funny.
Hey, he loves you, man.
Your joke. Yours is funny as hell too. Way to Wikipedia me too.
Oh, hey, at least you have a Wikipedia, man, right? Not many people can say they have a Wikipedia.
Yeah, you know you don't really have a ton of control of what's on it.
Oh, I'm sure not. Yeah, absolutely. Yes. Yeah. Kind of scary.
I was like, no, I want to take this off. They're like, who are you? I'm like,
I'm the guy.
I am this person.
Oh, well, you're not impartial, so no.
No, you're not a authorized whatever they are.
Wikier.
Yeah.
I don't know, dude.
So
yeah, that's.
I donated to Wikipedia.
Yeah, they make no mention of your time at the Kremlin.
Yeah, or LA.
They did say what I was doing for a living. I was like, not cool.
Do we think Drink Troll will ever get one? Will he'll ever have he should have one, kind of, right? I mean, in a way. He's public-ish, figure-ish.
Oh, he hasn't had a good song since, I don't know, Your Body is a Wonderland. So.
Yeah, what are you talking about? He's part of the Dead & Company now. I don't know, man. I would rather be part of Dead & Company than be Drink Troll, right? He identifies. I understand. But yeah, rising 3 methods could be a thing if we're lucky. That's such an if. 28 minutes till the close. Just stay like a small candle at this and you got 3 narrow range, which is good. And look how it's still holding this trend line. Like, how? This is stupid. But I would, it's Monk S on Ethereum. It really is, because I posted to patrons like right at the stream, and it's like, dude, if you're not careful, I mean, what's going on right now? Look, what is this? I mean, this is like left shoulder head, right shoulder, pretty effing clear, and 245 is being back tested as resistance. 245, that's not a joke, man. Or sorry, not a joke. No, here, I think it's on the daily candle high close. So yeah, man, you might be in a little trouble if Bitcoin fails to launch. You could get a reversal of downside, maybe see 227 in time for a back test again. But even though you did back test, that's what's so peculiar about it. Anyone feel me, dog, on that, huh? Okay, do I need to throw the Buellers? How many Buellers do I need to throw?
Bitcoin starts getting weak, yeah.
And then,
Going to
just
eat.
like that,
There's no money to
Bitcoin
make
going to zero.
Bruh.
in it drop.
Yes, String Troll is part of the Dead Company. How did you not know this? You have a lot of catching up to do. So, 1G Project. Rising Wedge.
Rising Wedge.
Oh, he's in here, man. How are you doing, dude?
Pretty well, man. Pretty well. I'm glad to be with you guys. You missed me a lot.
Did miss you, man. We did. You been keeping up with the markets doing things, man?
I'm Kung Flu fighting.
Oh, are you really?
Nah, but like many personal project.
Yeah.
I sold the house. I'm happy.
Very good, man. Yeah, definitely, man. That's not an easy thing to do. I mean, it can be, I guess. Did you have a realtor help you, or did you just, for sell by owner, pocket that commission?
I got some help there.
Okay. Very cool, man. Well, congrats. I guess it was, I don't even know. Is it considered a good time to sell? It seemed like it a month ago, right? Just because of how everything has been going.
I'm still asking question for that, but the price I got, I'm pretty happy with it, so I'm glad.
I mean, I'd think what good time to sell, bad time to buy.
Depends upon where you live. If you live near a big city and live in the suburbs right now and have land, yeah, it's a seller's market. If you're in a big city, not paying like a certain price range.
Are you screwed in a big city?
People are fleeing big cities to more suburban areas with more space because of what happened. So, like, in the middle of Corona, we should have started buying houses in that first little area in North New York City that got hit first, in Westchester County. That's where prices are flying up. People are moving out of there, Chicago, whatever,
Dude.
wherever else. So high rises out to more suburban areas, so they're not on top of each other. People are claustrophobic.
Dude, look at my new glasses, man.
Very nice. So the idea right there is if the price of houses rise, I'm gonna just continue to rent. If the price of houses drop, I'm gonna buy and flip again.
Yeah. Thing is, though, if it was like everything recovers.
I wouldn't get into buying and flipping anytime.
Yeah.
I'd hang on, man. I knew people that were doing that in 08 that held on to houses till 2011. I got into that stuff too. Yeah, it's
But many things going on. So you have the interest rate that is like 0, which help the housing price. But you have like big numbers on unemployment, which mean like
mortgages are still not anywhere near what the 30-year bond is at.
Ew, but them piece of beef, man. You got beef with me? Drink Joe? Come on. Bring it on. You ain't got jack, man. Sorry. Excuse me. This is super keto friendly. This filter here. It's a wonderful
I think
day.
there might be a quick cycle
A quick cycle.
where, oh, it's not 1G. You might see through the summertime, maybe prices. I don't. We have a presidential election coming up, which always adds volatility to the market. We have Q2
Whoa.
earnings, which are going to be pretty interesting. And then we're kind of going to
What earnings?
Q2 earnings.
Okay,
in
yeah.
late summer. So,
Hey, Mad Dog Man, hey,
and
Dad.
then the end of the PPP program, you know, unemployment's going to stop. It's going to be times.
It's gonna be only eggplants, man.
Keto drink troll tip $25.
Oh, yeah, you
I got
do?
no beef, only eggplant.
Dude, I got this, man, alright? I got, look here. Hey, look here. How you doing, man? Keto drink troll? I got eggplant too, man.
He's keto. He eats only beef.
No, I mean, there's certain vegetables that are acceptable for keto men. But eggplant, I don't even know. I don't eat eggplant. So is it high in carbs? Let's take a look. Eggplant. I think it is too high.
Parmesan, when it's high in carbs.
Yeah, that's
Covered in
kind of,
breadcrumbs.
it's okay. 4.8 grams of carbs isn't like unacceptable, but you don't really want to go below like, or you don't want to go above like 20 to 50. So, you know, like asparagus is the best because you can get like, it's like 0.6 grams per serving. So like 1 gram's like 5 grams here. So those kind of flip it up, flop it up.
Keto drink troll tip $25. Your eggplant is kind of floppy, Mitch.
It's a little floppy, but you know what, man? It's all good. That means I'm just flexible. Yeah, it's a little too floppy.
Even your head, yeah, with the little bubble on the top.
The bubble, even the bulb, dude.
Yeah, the
Oh, good God, I just got back. What the hell's on screen right
It is
deposit area.
I don't even know what's going on. I am in another world right now. Dude, oh my god, does anyone remember the game Star Fox 64? No way. This is a new filter.
Yes,
I am the bad guy. I can't even remember from the game, Dad. Ah. What? No way. The nameplate, though, you remember Venom, like you're on the planet Venom, and it's the final boss. My little thing is, my little.
Yeah, your name of it.
What was his name again? Look at this. You see it? There, like it's the spaceship. The Star Fox is attacking me. Brrr. That's Fox's dad. No, this is the bad guy of Star Fox. Andross, that's who it is. The arch nemesis of Fox McCloud. Thank you, Sam T. Perfect.
Is that like the top with the HP bar when people forwards?
Dude, you should have my hands. Like, my hands come up, they should be here too, recognized, right? This is absolutely hilarious, though. Sorry, throwback. It kind of... I know some people get... It's an inside joke in a way, because it's a video game, you know, that a lot of people didn't play. But, it's okay, don't change it up. Kid Drink Joe, how you doing, man, over there? Come on. This is so weird. What is this one? What? Dude. No way. This is like... This reminds me of the Brave Little Toaster or something for some reason. I don't know why. What? Dude, I don't... This is so...
It's like Picasso or something.
Yeah, kinda. In a way. Here's an epic mustache. Ooh, this is like the best mustache right here, man. Perfect. Perfecto. Wave Race. What a game, dude. I remember that one level where it's like you start and it's really like foggy, and each lap it gets like the fog dissipates and then it's beautiful. by the end of the race. Anyone remember that? Sorry. We're doing member wins. It's too much, man. Sorry. Anyway, back to real estate, right? How do we even go back to real estate after this? We've gone too far. Bueller? Okay, no cream. Literally no cream. God.
On real estate, we're gonna see when the default rate is gonna be updated.
Beefo Brady's?
Like
What?
the people can delay the payment for 6
Key to
months
drink troll
to 1
tip
year, 2 times
$25.
6 months.
I know an asshole
So
that
after
bought a
that,
house
we
last
might
month.
see what
Forbearance
really is
rate?
going to- Yeah.
You do?
At
You know
least
an
in
a-hole?
Canada, it's like this.
Kid to drink troll? The a-hole? Am I missing something here? Did Kita Drink Troll buy a house?
Yes,
He's
that's
calling
what I'm
him
inferring through. Yes,
Yeah.
yes. Or no, maybe he knows an a-hole that sold his house and said he was selling everything and leaving California. Maybe that's the a-hole he's referring to.
I don't know, man.
They wouldn't let him open up his. I want to open up my plant.
His plant, the internet plant?
No, Elon was threatening to leave California.
Oh, yeah.
And sold his house in Hollywood
Yeah.
Hills and all this stuff. So I know he did buy a new house. I don't know if it's.
Did he make a
He's
song
doing
about
a-
killing his vibe or something?
I didn't know that
Moo.
one.
Moo. Sorry. Thanks, Kita Drink Troll, man, for the 125 on the evening. Moo. Sorry about all the John Belushi's not happening. I'm sorry.
Now she bought it right before like the worst winter ever. Bad time to move,
Move, you say?
dude. Is Guy Fawkes? I hate saying that thing. Do you know what the Guy Fawkes mask is? The anonymous mask. Is that on there?
Of course,
On,
yeah. Here's a variation of it.
There's people making videos
Hello.
claiming to be anonymous, and they're getting pissed because they're using the Snapchat filter.
Oh, yeah?
And they're doing videos. No, and they're using the voice, and they're putting the globe behind them. And
I got a globe behind me, dude. I am anonymous.
We
Connect.
don't forget, we don't forgive, or something like that. And
We don't forget. We don't
Like-
forget. Connect. We do things.
some guy almost blew his cover by coming out and being like, "Stop this!" By reaching out to whoever it is, Snapchat or Stream Elements, Streamlabs.
Yeah. Now there's a better
Patreon
one.
Night, more like Ground Night, laugh out loud.
There's
Yeah,
a better
no one
anonymous.
usually talks. There's legit clear just that one where, but they keep taking them down apparently.
All the anonymous posts or something.
The supposedly anonymous supporters or people that are involved that keep doing it for them. Like
Are
all
people
the
getting in
legit
trouble?
ones. No, they're not getting in trouble. It's anonymous. What are they gonna do? Hack your computer game?
Oh, that's fashionable. That's super fashionable. Check your text. Connect. Super duper. Wait, I can look just like that, I think. I don't even have to put on a mask. Let's see. That's not what I was thinking. Yeah, I have something that's a little bit more hardcore. Drink Troll, you know, it, oh, wrong button, dude, sorry.
It's a little bit harder to breathe. but it works pretty well, man. Only cost me $500,000. It's perfect, dude. Is this even? Can you even understand me? Maybe not, man.
Sorry.
You're like one of those cyber goth dancers or whatever.
Oh god, dude. No, I'm not. But I guess that's maybe what this is or something. Yeah. You like my tattoo on my eyeballs, man? It didn't feel good.
I'm trying to figure out what the little bubbles on the side of Vintrol's head are. But is that a filter he put on to
The bubbles.
say something? There's little white bubbles off to his physical left side. There's white bubbles. They're like thought bubbles.
I don't see bubbles.
Little white circles.
I don't see white circles, chat. Does anyone else see?
The chat can't see it. You get the text.
Oh my god, I didn't even see that. Hold on.
I was looking for him to be saying something. I was like, oh.
Oh, the bubbles. Yeah, what are those? Are lights though, right?
I don't know.
Those are literally lights, dude.
Are they?
No, but he unironically he knew that we would read into it. It's his own form of passive aggressively trolling us with those little circles. Oh yeah, it makes us wonder. So many more masks. Whoa, what is this? This is weird. Too weird. I gotta change that, man. Whoa, dude, this one's crazy. I am a piece of art. I don't know, man. Hello? Anyone else in here? Hey, what's up, patrons? There are a lot of patrons hanging out. Dude, you want to see how many lurkers? We got lurkers galore right now, man. Look what's going on, dude. Look at all the lurkers.
Everyone's gonna turn on the mic real quick.
How about it?
25 or 26 of us.
There you have it.
Yeah, I even posted something in the meme channel, dude, like how not to use the Patreon chat. Like so many muted mics in here.
How to lurk. Dude, we have a lurking community, man. For sure.
Lurk.
How to lurk. Dude, we have... Wow, what the...
What was that?
Oh, I can be a unicorn, dude.
Never mind, just go back to you and your mic, whatever that is.
Wow. Drink your look at this, dude.
Eardrums dead.
Hey, Mitch, 130K.
Let's see here. Let me check. I've got something on my head. It's kind of weird. Ursula.
Hey, Mitch, 130K.
I've got. Oh my god, AIDS.
Everybody just spam the key.
No.
240 subs till 30k, chat. 240.
Whoa.
I think, right?
Dude, what is on your face? What the hell?
It's supposed to be Ursula. Literally Ursula. It says Ursula.
Come in, Ursula.
Come on.
Ursula.
I love you, Ursula. There's gotta be a better one, man. Hold on.
Did she have an argument with whether or not she was hot or not?
Yeah, it's like she was aight, you know?
Yeah, but you're
That's
in
a
the back of a squad card. Yeah.
Well, I'm just talking about in general, like, you know. Like, it's like, I don't know, like, if I would be like, okay, I'm going to settle down with her, you know? I don't know, man. Here's an anonymous. This one sucks, though. There was a really good one I had.
There's no good ones. No, like, spot-on ones.
No, there is,
Keep
though.
taking them off.
I used to have it. I don't know where it is, though. There's so
I know,
many.
and they keep getting taken off. That's the whole point. That's the whole what I'm talking about. People keep making them. They keep
Oh, that's
rid
so
of them.
weird.
Then they started crying, and then someone from one of the companies that's involved reported.
I thought this was it.
to Someone. That is it. Yeah.
This is the one. This is like the best one. It used to be red in the background. It doesn't do that anymore. Oh, look at this one.
I'm waiting.
Hello. Hello, this is the best one. Get wrecked, probes. We're coming for you, entering troll.
It doesn't look. It's not the full.
What, dude? We're in the Matrix, man.
Yeah, but it has a specific background. Like they have a flat black one with that exact mask that's good that people can put in front of the globe and actually pretend to do their videos, and they're posting them.
Hello.
This one's
There's
not
a fake Twitter account. That one was good. That one, I don't know, maybe 15 seconds ago.
Hello.
Anyone that's there spot on are just getting taken down.
Oh, this one's okay. It's got the weird filter.
I think it's funny that people are actually doing fake anonymous videos and posting them. That one's pretty good.
Why is this? Someone
got a little bit of the 80s TV filter.
Yeah, this used to be the best one.
The huge head.
I don't like the huge head one. That's what she said, or whatever. Maybe, I don't know. I'm digging the Matrix one. This one right here, where it's like only the face, and it's like you're getting hacked as I'm talking to you right now. Kid Drink Troll's shaking in his boots with his mask on. Oh, don't be scared. Don't be scared. All right, 6 minutes till your 4-hour close, if you can believe it. And we've done nothing for 4 hours. What a freaking joke. No, it's not even 4 hours, right? It's 12 hours. A whole bunch of nothing. Thanks, Bitcoin. Jeez. I don't know what to tell you, dude.
Paint dry.
Huh?
It's watching paint dry.
It is. It is. Force strength, force down. Leather belt.
Very good one.
What's up?
How's it going?
Were you not happy with 12% moves up and down in the span of 16 hours? Market's like, hey, we need to chill a little bit on the volatility.
Yeah, this move here was pretty wild. It made everyone, it killed everyone. Everyone's like, it's all over now for Bitcoin. We're all screwed. They
wrecked so many over leveraged positions in both directions.
I couldn't even imagine, man. FOMO. Imagine people buying at like 10,200 or something. Oh, cringe. So much cringe.
Yeah, I mean,
on a breakout, man. We're gonna go places, dude. I mean, it was only like $100 off the real target or whatever.
What did BitMEX went down to like 85 something? So people that had like, all right, no way 8630 is gonna get hit. They got wrecked.
8,600? Are you kidding? Went down to the May 25th low on BitMEX?
Yeah, it would, definitely below 9,000.
It also hit 10,500 on BitMEX too, right?
Let's see. $10,473 to a low of 8,605 cents on that wick low. So a lot of liquidations.
What is this? The Empire.
We just had a huge stop loss on the stubs. I don't even know what it was. Bat.
Wait, what?
If you just had no stop loss on the stubs bat, the original bat.
Oh, the bearish one?
Yeah. If you hit your C. If you're on BitMEX.
On BitMEX, you hit C? What?
I'm looking at a different one.
Your eyes are kind of crazy right now.
The other Sith eye is the Sith eye filter.
Got some contacts in there. There's.
No need to even get contact. Like, dude, before I even discovered this thing, I was talking to, I was talking to somebody, okay, about props and scenes for the Star Wars ship, all right, and no need. All I have to do is spend $3,000-$4,000 to upgrade that computer in there, because it's like, it sucks. That computer's great, but not for spaceship stream with wanting to add on this graphically intense program. So like, I'll have to, if I don't want to do contacts, I'm gonna have to upgrade the crap out of that thing, make a big investment. So, and that's cool, I guess. It's just it's just like a lot of work, and then I have to get a new motherboard to get a new GPU, a new CPU, a new case probably.
Key to drink troll tip $25.
2 years
This
from
is
now,
the most hideous filter yet.
Something or rather.
Is it?
The most hideous filter yet.
Yeah, it was pretty bad, dude. It was bad. I was trying to make up for it. What the heck? These are pretty terrible. Some of these. I don't want top community lenses. Get me out of here. Jeez. What is wrong with this? What about this one? What is this supposed to do? Oh, it's like there's a solar system or something around me. Ooh, dumb filter.
It's on your cheeks again. What's with all the focus on the cheeks?
It's like planets or something.
Is that for?
Oh, the no filter?
God.
God.
Teenage girls and I don't get it.
Oh, I don't know what it is, dude. It's just interplanetary. Well, he just
your head
texted.
has your own like gravitational pull.
Exactly.
Kinda like,
But he was saying that that message was for me having no filter on. So
Yes.
yeah. Oh wait, what about this one? Everybody, I'm a paper boat going through the water, dude. Oh god, what is this crap, man?
That's so funny.
oh, it's yeah,
Shots fired, dude.
it's something.
It's yeah. This is like
That's an origami paper hat.
yep.
Yeah.
We're somehow not
On the
sinking
water.
yet, dude.
Yeah, there's little boats that you make out of origami.
Can you be like a Dorito chip?
It's like the German
Maybe.
ship.
Oh, it is. Yeah, man. I can see the staircase right behind me, man. I don't know. That's a great question. Can I be a Dorito? Yes and no,
Cool
probably.
Ranch or something?
I can be a. Oh no, it's gonna be these bunch of stupid filters like this. But what is this? Hello, dude.
The chips on your cheek.
Dude, this is so dumb. Hold on.
Alright.
Hey, I'm a Dorito face.
Goats.
And then just Doritos are just falling.
I am a
Air
Dorito.
candy jellyfish tip $25. Jellyfish
Oh, now you
There you go.
TW.
Yeah.
You want to be a jellyfish, man? I'm a jellyfish, man. This, oh, dude, and look at this chip.
You're on fire too, man.
This
yeah,
is,
why is your head on fire?
dude. This I don't because it's spicy. They're
Is that
flaming
them
hot
flaming
nacho.
Flaming hot Cheetos?
Look, dude, flaming hot nachos. But look, this is one of those chips you would like. You look through the bag for, right? This one right here.
Yeah.
Like if all of the chips were like this, they would kill it. I would
They
never
are.
have gotten on keto if all the chips were like this. I'm not kidding. Somehow Bitcoin 4-hour candle just closed. Yeah, your Kanji Connect, we'll do it. You're local on the 8th. Oh my god, man. Sorry.
I closed green, man.
No, that's okay. That's okay. I know it's like the middle one shouldn't matter. Dude, who cares? The fact that it closed 3 narrow ranges, 3 narrow range candles, that's not bearish. Okay, the narrow range stuff, that's David Weiss talking. Like, that's like when you have an impulse up and you have such a small narrow range like this. Like, there's even a way to trade narrow ranges like this. They're good. They're not bad. Sorry. Let me see. Jellyfish Connect. Do I have it saved? I do. Look. Everybody. How you doing? I'm about to sting you. I'm about to release my nematocytes into your skin and you might die within an hour unless you get an antidote. Welcome, I'm a box jellyfish,
I
man.
don't like it.
It's not bearish.
Next time we're in Vegas, I'll pay you whatever it takes for you to walk up to a girl and say that line.
What, I'm a box
I'm
jellyfish?
gonna
Release
I'm
my
gonna
nemat.
release my nematophytes into your whatever.
Oh, yeah. Oh my god. Dude, don't even talk about it because I want to go back. I want to do summer of 2019 again.
Did you see
Redo.
Vegas today? It opened today.
I heard about it, but I didn't know it was
Just
nuts.
insane. People gave 0 F's about social distancing. They were like, F it.
And no one got sick, evidently, right?
I've got all this money. Well, we won't know for a little bit.
Yeah.
Numbers in Cali are LA are spiking insane.
I'm sure like all the hotels had serious deals going on. People were trying to,
Yeah, Bellagio was $99.
Wow.
Dude, let's go to the bungalow suite ASAP, okay? Okay. Drink Charlie, hear me?
Yeah.
Psh, psh. Let's do it, dude. I want some of
We
that
could
bacon
actually
and
do it
coffee.
and social distance.
Dude, we don't need
Stay
to
away
social
from
distance, man. Like, we're gonna get it, man, I guess, right? Whatever.
I won't need social distance. I don't care. You guys
Dude.
can go for it.
Imagine going to Vegas and getting sick. That happens to nobody ever. Anybody?
You're case zero of.
I am. I know, that's the joke. That's a
If
joke.
you play beer pong in a dirty bar, you actually get immunity to it.
Oh, I probably
Even all the
was
people that
patient zero.
Gave 0 Fs about social distancing. They're standing on top of each other. They still walked by the beer pong place to use the same plastic cups over and over, and are like, "Ew, never." They knew better. That was.
Well, Brad knew better. He advised me. He was like, or him and Logan were both like, "You sure you want to do this, man?" It's
Yeah,
like,
when Logan is when
Logan's like
advised you,
asking me. Yeah,
I understand that. When Logan advised you, "Hey, this isn't such a great idea,"
I was like, forget it. I
When
even
the guy
joked.
It was a fun idea.
The good 0 Fs says probably a bad idea.
It's okay. I somehow made it home. God, it was not.
I was like, all right, I'm about to carry this dude through the Venetian and break my back.
Dude, I had such a bad fever. Oh God. I went to the doctor and got like 2 shots. Anyway, look, man. I mean, we're gonna go again. I know we got to. It's just I have not traveled like a real flight.
That's
I
what they were
think
talking
since
about.
Vegas or
The
something,
was
right?
filled. They're like, would you rather go to or that was the big issue. What would the amount of traffic coming from driving it from LA versus people flying in. But Vegas is still going to get hurt bad because the conventions aren't going to be there during the weekdays. That's where they get their cangage.
What is a natural? Well, let me try to get a GIF here. Let me see what I can do on Giphy, because I know turtles eat jellyfish.
Has anybody in here flown within the last 2 weeks?
No,
Yes, but private, not commercial.
That's
American.
What was that like? Like going through security? How do they deal with the IDs and all that stuff?
Everybody's just standing 6 feet apart in line, and I went through Portland, so it was really, really.
Is it true it's like a 4 to 6 hour wait at the major airport?
I don't know. I deal with smaller towns, so.
Well, I'm flying tomorrow, so I was just curious about how they deal with take off all your crap. So you take off all your mask and everything.
Catch everything while you're
you have to get naked now.
Yeah.
It's a new thing.
Oh, perfect! Can't wait.
You have to.
It was super awkward, yeah.
You just gotta get a big blanket and just hold it.
You keep your mask on, I believe.
Oh my God! Look at my natural predator, man.
They make you pull it down when you're checking the ID and stuff. They just look at you and pull your mask up.
Yeah.
Oh, what the? Why the freaking turtle? It's coming right for us.
On the chart.
Oh my God! It's freezing
Turtle.
really bad.
Turtle divergence.
It's my natural enemy. This is what eats me. Oh God! It's getting close.
Dude, why don't you put a
Grimlock Hill.
bear there when there's bullish bears divergence?
Get away from me! Jack, get away from me, man! No!
Oh, is this the one thing that can kill you?
Yes, it would eat me, man. I've been destroyed.
some good news I heard was that the sea turtle population was doing really well because there wasn't any spring breakers on the beaches. And, people were just like leaving that habit.
Nice.
Wait, say that again. That stat was.
Sea turtle.
Oh, just the baby sea turtles were doing really well.
Oh, that's good. It's very good. Turtles. I like turtles. Do you like turtles, chat? Y'all? Everyone?
Hey, Mitch, you look 3.6.
Not great, not terrible.
Yeah, man.
15,000 broken connects. Jeez. Well, my whole OBS is frozen right now, so... Oh, there we go. We're good.
Aurora Borealis.
Yes, yes.
Oh, you're so glowing.
My powers know no bounds. That was the first time I ever used an exterior.
Yeah, covered in plutonium.
It's okay, man. Chernobyl, man. We'll see. I think I have it. Let me pull it out. We could do it something like this. Let's see. Radio. Yeah, look at this. Watch this.
The New Mexico glow.
Here it is. This is perfect. Look, we can add this right here and be like, all right, don't touch me. Don't touch me. Is there a Russian voice changer? I don't think there is one. No, there's not like one that changes your accent. That would be so awesome. I don't think those exist yet. You know, where I could just literally talk normal and I have a perfect Australian accent. Like, how amazing would that be?
There's things that you can do that. They're TTS versions.
But it's like, you know, you're typing.
Well, you can talk into it.
No, I'm talking about. I'm talking about something that doesn't exist where it's using my literal voice like this, but it actually translates it and makes it Australian in real time.
It literally exists.
It has to translate it for you.
Good ones are not. Yeah.
Someone send me the link.
No.
Implement this into the stream.
Never mind.
Why not, man? We could make it happen. I could talk Australian. Or British. Whatever, dude. Who cares? Or I could speak perfect Russian. It'd be nice. I don't know, dude.
You can't take subtle clues. They're not on the public market yet.
Why? Why are they not on the public market?
Military only.
Really? Yeah. Intent.
No,
yeah. Pretty close. Yeah.
Because it's too good a technology?
Well, I mean, the cost is pretty effing high, I assume.
High cost? Yeah, I can see that.
There's cheap ones, but no, there's definitely they've been versions around for a while. But
I am one beer in.
Ones that
that
you can have, like, because of Zoom, because of voice chat or iChat and all that stuff like that.
ZI? Zoom?
Those
Zoom?
have had the ability to speak in an accent like fluently, perfectly, has become an important thing. So.
See, be perfect with my Mandalorian helmet on. I could speak Australian because Boba Fett had an Australian accent. So that's what I was.
New Zealander.
He was New Zealand. He was Kiwi?
I think so.
We'd have to get Australian to confirm. Go watch Empire Strikes Back. He's no good to me, dead. We had a deal or something. Not Jacob G. I was memeing.
Watching my first Star Wars.
Yeah, dude, go watch your first Star Wars ever.
No, even in.
You saw the first Star Wars ever on episode 1000. You pretty much saw it. That's the movie, dude. The fourth one, whatever. Spoiler alert. Yeah, Vegas just opened up. We've been talking about it. He is Kiwi 6. Interesting. No, you're Kiwi 6, right?
Stuck in quarantine. I'm bored as F. I still won't watch Star Wars.
You're not, are you still in Texas or are you?
No, back in LA. You're like joking I don't care, chat. No, I'm asymptomatic. I tested positive like a week after I got back to LA.
What happened? How do you think you contracted it?
One of my delivery drivers.
From Amazon, or just
no from my company.
Wow.
So my partner's sick as F. I feel absolutely nothing. None of my family, no one that I was around tested positive. I haven't had a symptom. So,
Tim, read that.
And I sent this second test off and it came back positive again. So, just waiting to.
So you're just hanging out.
Just waiting to test for antibodies. Yep, M's gone. Jake's gone.
Are you just self-quarantining?
Probes. Yep.
Well,
but
that's good that you had no symptoms.
The riots have kept me busy dealing with stuff. So,
I mean, what can you do? You know, you have to be like just hidden away, right? I mean, you can't do much. I mean, you can do your own work and stuff, but
be by yourself for 14 days, or that's until your symptoms go away. So I'm like, well, I don't have any symptoms. What do I do? And they're like,
just gotta wait like 3 weeks, 2 weeks.
Wait till you test for antibodies. Antibodies start showing up.
Well, how long does that take normally? Or does it vary?
Yeah, same type of thing. Yeah, same as if you had symptoms. Similar to.
Dude, how many people have it that are asymptomatic like you that have no idea and they're just hanging out and doing their thing?
Wouldn't have gotten tested if we had our whole company go get tested. So
it's such a weird virus, man.
Back.
It's such an insane virus.
We were talking today, and he's like, so he's part of some trading group that like had him buy the top, sell the bottom of this market. And he's like, they just sent me a signal to get back in long now in the Qs and SPY. I'm like,
at all-time highs.
No, David. I'm like, fuck F no.
Jeez.
I'm like, he's like, well, I'm like, no. He's like, IWM. I'm like, I can see the small cap stuff, but it's stupid. I'm like, you have maybe 5-6% upside.
Yeah, it's
versus
so much
lot of
premium. So much premium.
So, I mean, like, it's any little thing can quickly pull a rug. Same type of thing back to the liquidations, and I mean, it won't be as bad as it was last time. People were overleveraged, but
Keto drink troll tip $25.
What is this?
Must be really difficult for the people on this stream to isolate themselves from others.
I know, dude. We're all in close confined quarters. It's ridiculous, dude. Well, that's a good thing, you know. I mean, it's good and bad. Well, what are we gonna do, man? Like,
I'm good. I'm like, I don't care if I go to Vegas, and
thanks,
I
dude.
can go anywhere and not have to social distance now.
150 on the evening. Dude, have you Keto Drink Troll, have you come up with a new challenge yet? Right? We've done multiple challenges. I've failed and accidentally fell backwards into succeeding, but it wasn't even a test.
Go cough at your enemies.
Go cough at the aliens. That's their only weakness coming up. If you didn't know. There are aliens coming in July. That's like the Jumanji roll. Someone's playing Jumanji in Seattle, and they're going to roll aliens. And so their only weakness is the coronavirus. So
they say blood type. I'm O positive, so I'm the most common.
Your type ocean spray?
O positive is like, what, I don't know what it is. It's a high percentage of what people are.
I can't even remember what I am. I'm something, that's for sure.
I'll be O positive or A positive. Those are the two.
I'm type XABCD.
The most common.
Is the what?
I thought A positive was the most common.
No, O positive is. By a few
Really?
percent. Yeah.
Oh, that's interesting. Yeah, because like everybody I knew was always A positive. I'm A positive. Never met an O positive person before, but nice to meet you, Jeff.
Dude, write it in your bucket list, man.
O negative and AB positive are. I'm O positive, so I have a decent amount of people with
Keto Drink Troll
I
tip
can only take
$25.
very few people's
Yes, I got a
blood,
good
but I
one.
can donate blood to these.
You got a good one? You did, man? A good one. That good? Dude, dude, can we please? Can you please tell me? Or are you just gonna be like, I got a good one? That's it. Bye. What? There's supposed to be like a follow through. I got a good one. ...
He's coming into bubbles.
Is it gonna be? Is it not supposed to be publicly announced? I mean, that's understandable. The last one was not a public announced challenge, so I mean, I guess I get that. I'll be awaiting for further instruction or something. Oh man. Pull up crypto coin. I don't know, dude. It's not a request show tonight. It's a once a week thing. It's different than all the other streams. I stream 7 days a week, including today. Was how many requests did I take today? Jeez, and yesterday. I mean, it was like literally over an hour into stream by the time I got done with all the requests today. It's pretty wild. I mean, I'm not complaining. I'm just saying, like, it consumed time. No, you're good, dude. Not even, you don't even have to say you're bad, because it's not your bad, dude. At all. So literally no symptoms. Like you just feel like normal.
Yeah. No, 98, 97 to 98 degree temperature.
What?
Nothing. No
What
cough.
pool? What pool? Drink Troll? Are we going back to Vegas, man? Are we going? When are we going, man?
Oh, I like it, Drink Troll. And he has to say he's going to put his dermatophytes in there.
I'm gonna put my nematocytes inside of you, and they're going to involuntarily release their toxins. Anyway, that's a jellyfish, dude. No, I could never do that. That's ridiculous, man. Yeah, yeah. Man, I have not been practicing my game at all. This year, dude, my age, I haven't done anything. Like I'm like over halfway or halfway to the next year, and I haven't done anything. I have like not even attempted really dating. It's just been like nothing. It's kind of sad in a way. I mean, good for me focusing on myself and business and all that, but dang. Yeah, I need to fix that because it's really bad. Anyway, thanks for the reminder. Thanks for depressing me, Drink Troll. Jeez. It just goes in the chat. For my social life, terrible. I'm in this like multi-year bear trend in my social life. It's like the only aspect of my life that's in a bear trend. It's just like lower lows, lower highs. It's like Ford, or it's like been like GE. Just
don't worry, man. It's just a falling wedge.
No, I mean it's dude. It's been a falling wedge. It's been going on for multiple years now, I guess. Yeah, I don't know, man. One day, all will change. There will be a bullish breakout. Just don't know when.
Keto Drink Troll tip $25.
Yeah.
That Logan's guy in Vegas can't help you fix instantly.
He writes the absolute most romantic letters, and the way he puts those letters under the doors, I've never seen anyone do it so smoothly, man. Can you attest to that? Because I was witness, and it was beautiful. We can't go beyond that.
Where's Logan?
Logan's moving. He's got a lot of stuff going on, and
I gotta. Logan might be staying in the probes compound for a little bit while waiting to.
Oh yeah.
I'll explain to you later where he's.
That's awesome. Yeah, so it's pretty cool. I'm glad he's moving there. That would make things a lot easier on me moving to there.
Yeah,
You
that's
know,
what I thought. I was like,
he's probably helping. It's like probably he's like, all right, if Midge isn't gonna do it on his own, you know, whatever. It's not even that. It's just Corona. It's just Corona, man. Corona's like screwed everything up, man. Like
even people like Logan want to get out into more spread out areas.
Yeah.
People are freaked out of. Can you imagine being stuck in a high rise where you can't go up and down the elevator for?
Yeah, dude. I at least have a treadmill, you know, and a neighborhood and all that, but in a state park 3 miles away, 2 miles away. But like, yeah, dude, I couldn't imagine living in any like, you know, I have all this space, thank God, you know. But if you're like trapped in an apartment or something,
when you stream, you know, you're able to communicate with these people. Imagine like being stuck in like a bad relationship in a New York City. Oh God,
that is true. Yeah, but see, being in a bad relationship's one thing, but also being single.
The divorce numbers are gonna fly up because you're gonna be like, I've been waiting for this thing. I knew I couldn't do anything until this thing was over.
Yeah, divorce and domestic violence are up.
Domestic violence way. Yeah, I didn't want to bring that part up.
How many people did we have in Vegas last time? The big trip, not the first one. It was like 25?
25? I'm thinking back to the dinner.
The dinner was like, what, like 15?
Like 15.
Yeah, there were more though.
That sea bass, Mitch? Oh.
See, all I had was...
Remember the Chile? Yeah, the Chilean sea bass. I was sitting next to you.
Wait.
It was incredible.
Which one? You talking about the virus when I was sick and we had to leave?
No, the night before when we were all at the nightclub.
Oh yeah! Oh my God, dude!
Yeah,
yes.
Where they just kept bringing out.
Well, no, they stopped bringing out and we got mad. I think it was like ran out.
Well, we told the waiter to just basically do chef's choice.
Oh, what was the bill? God, what was a bunch of us?
Dude, I'm pretty sure it was up like well over 100 per person.
Yeah, dude, for sure.
Over 9,000.
It's like 1,500-1,600, I think, maybe. I don't care. It was such a good time. It was so fun. It was before I was sick. Oh, dude, we had to do this again.
Sick, we waited forever and ate out. We were eating outside.
Oh, it was good. Everything was so good. And I was like, oh man, I have a virus, or I am tender and burning up and sick as a. Oh well. It's gonna go well. Look, what we're gonna do is Bitcoin's gonna run up to 99.50. We're gonna destroy the Emperor and break 99.50, and we're gonna be kings, and it's gonna be 2020 2.0. It's gonna be like, there's just no way things can get better now. And then they do. And it's like, oh, really? It was crypto market participants who benefited so greatly. Where everyone else, they weren't participating in crypto, so they didn't get to reap any of the reward of this asset class that so many people write off over and over and over.
What was the number? Someone, how many accounts have basically been, stock trading accounts have been opened on, I think it was Schwab and Thinkorswim that were given the numbers.
Recently?
Basically have blown up their accounts during Corona.
Oh God, yeah.
Decided to trade the stock market and blew up their account.
Yeah, I'm sure there were maybe a lot. I don't know. Could have been.
Oh, American Airlines is going to bounce any day. Any day. Blew up a month ago, and today they're sitting there going, I told you.
Yeah,
Not
man.
the point. You got to be there for when it finally gets up.
The Qs, man. QQQ 184. 184 high.
I think we have text back and forth from entrance.
The Qs?
Yeah.
Dude, it was like the bottom. It was just too perfect.
We both texted each other. We're like, I'm like, yeah, I just want one as well.
It was right here. It was so many reasons why. It was like, it was the horizontal line support from June of 2019. And then it was
weak. too. That was one of
Yep, it was outperforming the S&P and the Dow Jones, but it was this right here also. It was crazy. It's like the curved line. It's like 1 and then 2, 3 and then 4. These like lined up. There was like confluence here. So it was the horizontal line and the curved line, and at that area you were showing all the divergence. There was divergence on the Dow Jones, the S&P, everything. It was like how, and I remember going to the 4 hour, and it's like, I remember saying, yeah, oh, here, I'll find it.
I also looked at understanding how X dividend works, and like, all right, that might be the last day to dump off things. There's something with how dividends work, and people wanted at the lowest price to get the highest percentage, but I was like, there's an X dividend coming up. Bullish divergence. This selling is getting weak.
All right.
They weren't.
Drink troll. Deuces. Hey, seriously, figure it out, man. When we going again to the bungalow, let me know. I'm down. All right.
Good night, brother.
Yeah, dude, be good. I'm gonna find this cues, this chart, and it was like, how does this not play out here? Oh, we're getting closer.
Let's see. I think we're texting.
No, but I've got it in the Discord for like in the Patreon chat. Yeah, look at this. I found it right here. Yeah, let me jump to that part of the chat. Look at this. Okay, so this was March 23rd. All right, so March 23rd, QQQ. I mean, what the else has to happen here for it to actually bounce? There it is, right? That's it. 169.34 right there. So you see the tweezer bottoms. That's legit, man. Like that's like tweezer bottoms and the divergence, and then the next day. Oh yeah, by the way, gold too. Remember the Adam and Eve double bottom was also going on right there. That played out. Jeez. Let's see, the next day, I'm just going to scroll through. Next day. So much stuff. Okay, here we go. The next day, this happened, right? The gap up. And then, of course, from there, you know, you see that one candle, which was here. You broke out, you sold off a little bit, then you went, and it's just nonstop. It's just gone. I was just like, all the reasons. It was just the TA was there. I was just like, will it happen, man? That's definitely... I mean, I didn't take advantage of anything as much as I did the Qs. You know, there were things that outperformed, that did better. I mean, you know, individual assets, and that's an index fund, so. Oh, that's cool.
The first PM I have from you is both was on March 10th, and the further conversations further down. I think you stopped out.
Yeah, it was like
another position.
I kept adding. Yeah, it was like 180s and 170s.
It wouldn't break 190-ish.
Well, and I'm glad I never like panicked and got out.
I don't know. There was so many people asking, "Should I sell now?" I'm like, why would you?
Like you won't sell here, but you'll sell here.
Might go another 5-10%.
Yeah, just. But there you go, the Fed money. The Fed money just going burr. I mean, is this thing going to top out? I mean, is this thing about to break all-time highs? And is it going to do this? Are the Qs about to high to low go to 257, 1272? I mean, look at all this divergence in the 4 hour. It's going to sell off and probably back test 225. Everyone's going to get scared and say it's all over and it's going to run again.
Hilltop.
Maybe the weekly or monthly showing like double top, you know? Look at this on the weekly. Jesus. Wow. That is unreal. V-shape much? That is just unreal. And I love this. The curved line is so freaking gorgeous. And it's because it's like been outperforming. The S&P and Dow Jones had their straight lines up, and the Qs were just outperforming the whole time. So it was a curved line. Gorgeous. So think about the downside potential, you know, like what if it's to come back? I mean, God, you can see 194. That would make sense, right? Coming back down to 194.
The Qs are safer in a dump too, as well.
Yeah, they're going to outperform probably. Yeah. Why would they not? I mean, like the corona reason why everything's dumping.
Safe cap, and the big companies that make up 30% of the Qs have gotten bigger and better because of corona, I hate to say. They've grown and taken over more market share.
Yeah, because virtuality or virtual companies are like starting now. It's like, oh yeah, they were the future, but they're really the future now. Like, whoa, you know, we got like viruses and stuff. People aren't even shaking hands anymore. You know, it's like people aren't even making eye contact. They're just like, oh yeah, hey man, what's up, dude? Okay, all right, see it. Like that's the world we're starting to live in now. So yeah, tech would consolidate its power. So yeah, are you double topping on the Qs? We'll find out. We'll know soon. Because if you break it, again, 257 is your 1272.
Tomorrow you got the weekly close. You're right at where it is. So if you close below and don't make a lower high, you're hit. Oh, only on the MACD.
Yeah, I mean it's
RSI,
like
you got a ways to run, not bearish divergence.
I know.
RSI.
Yeah. And it's not over about 63. It's like hot. It's like
that?
bullish. It's bullish, dude.
That's
on the
scary.
weekly.
That's scary that it.
And at the same time,
has so much more clean time to run.
And the yield is breaking out. So that's like good for equities, right?
Yeah. Yes. Well, we have much better market breadth right now. So, and the entire world is kind of bullish right now.
And gold is painting bearish stuff, like it's acting like, hey, weekly bearish divergence with a rising wedge now. Yes. It's like it's about to reverse.
Safe haven assets are getting sold a little bit. That's why your giant cap companies are kind of just going sideways. They're getting sold, but they also get constantly bought up every time your 401k rebalances or whatever it is. Did you hear about if you have a target date 401k now, they're going to be able to take your money if you put it in the target date thing. So anyone that has a 401k that has it sitting in a target date, and they can invest in private equity. And unless I mean, you can take some risk and you can end up with an Uber, but you can end up with a lot of other junk that is done really horribly. So,
did y'all know about
is the biggest, Silicon Valley investor, and he's getting destroyed. Yeah, there you go.
So would you say you were A negative?
I'm A positive.
A positive. Okay, so that's like that and O positive are like
O positive. I'm sorry, I'm O positive.
Okay, so it's like
O
A positive.
O negative is the most valuable. O positive and O negative they want tons on hand for trauma.
Universal, right? They're more universal?
O negative is universal. O positive and O negative are good for just giving you red blood cells. So for trauma type where they're not worried about blood type, they can give O positive or O negative and deal with it later.
And so all the B's and A's are screwed?
No, it works as just like red blood cells to
look at that. AB
stop
negative.
someone from bleeding out.
AB negative, dude. So rare. I would not want to be AB negative. I don't even know what I am. Can't remember.
I'll be figuring it out.
What's that blood gene that proves that you're an alien or something?
I'm an alien, man. I'm glowing, dude. It's in my veins.
Actually, you don't want to be O negative because only other O negative can
get. Yeah, that's why it's so valuable. One, it's universal for donors, but you can only receive blood from other O negative people. So it's extremely valuable.
I'm O negative, and every time I give blood, they will not stop calling me. It's like every 8 weeks.
They need it, right? Bad.
Yeah.
High demand.
Yeah, they're like vampires over me.
Well, don't donate. Be like, you want to cut a deal, bruh?
You can get paid if you're O negative.
Really?
You want X? Oh yeah.
That's awesome.
You can get paid well if you work out like a regular deal.
Yeah, but don't you get paid in like Oreo cookies and apple juice?
No, I'm talking
diabetes.
About
That's a pretty good deal.
You can get like $300-400 per donation.
That's pretty amazing.
Easy, yeah.
300-400 XRP.
Yeah, I'm only accepting XRP for my blood. What's up, Jacob, man?
Is that a joint donation? Normally, it's just
The
a
parabola
donation.
on the spy is in
Whenever
line with the 200-week moving average. So nice.
Go to
If
go to
they
a blood
pay in
bank and
Bitcoin, I'm gonna be in.
call any blood bank and tell them you're O negative and ask what they will offer for a donation. They will offer
try
you
that out.
good money. Yeah. It's, especially in this, I don't know if blood's like at a heavy.
Chris, thanks, man, for watching. It's a different stream tonight, so, you know.
I don't think very many people are donating
AB
right now.
negative is the universal recipient. O
Yeah.
is the universal. Yeah, correct. You want to be AB negative if you're as a person. 'Cause you can take
But as an
blood from
alien, you
anyone.
want to be what? Do you know?
No, dude. I don't
Okay.
know. I've never watched an alien movie except Independence.
I don't
I
think
think it's like an RH.
Will Smith and
RH Connect.
and the guy from Jurassic Park.
Sugar water.
Yeah, you probably want to just be a giant cockroach if you're an alien.
Yeah, dude. Type sugar water. Yeah, I mean, so
Yes, they can tell you what they have tests out for.
this
if
is
you have
so
antibodies.
stupid.
I've taken one already.
Hey, look on the weekly on the S&P how like that little overhead resistance we see on the daily doesn't even exist here on the weekly. There is no resistance on the weekly where we are. It's just nothing.
Sorry, meant the cues. That chart is Leroy Jenkins.
Oh yeah, dude. Parabola Connect. Yeah. Look, it's a parabola ascending triangle connect. It's starting,
And
man.
this month we'll get as people's ratios have gotten so effed up.
Thanks, Jacob.
And bonds are way down. Bonds were way up huge when the market was selling off. And then those people got automatically rebalanced on April 1st, around that time, the end of Q1, rebalanced into stocks. Now they're going to be way over percentage into stocks. So it'd be interesting to see how big of a sell-off we have towards the end of this month.
Everyone's scared. Everyone is scared. Everyone's like ready to sell and get out. Everyone.
What's auto rebalancing? It's not even anything you can do. You have a certain percentage that your 401k auto rebalances if you have that turned on, which almost everyone does. And it has you in a certain diversification.
Well, I mean, like, you know, just saying, like, self-directed accounts. A lot of people are just like, I'm ready to get out. I'm setting my stop losses. And if this thing starts dropping hard, I'm out, dude. I'm done. I'm gonna wait. And it's gonna pivot, make a higher low, and just go again, probably. And it's gonna be like 1987 2.0, like for real,
yeah.
but even crazier, even more insane.
June sell-off, I'll probably buy.
Yeah, probably. I mean,
the
why
August
not?
one, August to, but then I'm like, all right, we sell off a little bit in July and August, and then come selections coming up, you know we're going to be near all-time high.
Oh yeah, you have to
Holding
be.
it.
Trump telegraphed it. He's gonna make it happen, dude. Like, The whole world's on fire, but it doesn't matter. As long as the stock market's up, those boomers are the voting base. They show up, and they are the ones that win the election, so keep the boomers happy. That's all that matters.
Everyone currently in Congress and in the Senate, they're like, we should vote against this. We're also running for re-election here, so yeah. We're going to go ahead and pass the stimulus bill that you guys need.
Well, the good news is, at least this summer's not going to be boring, and at least the market's not going to be dead. I think there's going to be volatility and crazy stuff's going to happen, and hopefully it's crypto. Hopefully it's like crypto just explodes or something, but that's just hopeful. I don't know, man. Like, no emotion. I'm just saying, like, for the holder in me wants that to happen, of course. Where it very well could, because fundamentals at all-time highs. It's just such a small market cap, dude. 200 plus billion, really? There's so much liquidity out there now.
Yeah, someone posted size of the position that but it was a futures position, so he didn't actually buy anything.
Work exploded tonight. Exploded, that's not the right word, Matthew. You mean like imploded? Yeah, that's a better word. Well, hey man, who cares? Hey, look, it's like, have you ever heard the term that it's like a meme or a joke on the internet? It's like, they put their hands and say, don't care, had sex, don't care. For work, it's like that, but it's like, don't care, 100% measure move of ascending triangle hit, don't care, right? That's literally it. Who cares after? Right? Am I crazy here? Anyone bat me up on that? Chat?
Yeah.
Oh god, here we go. Crickets.
The entire slogan of your show.
What, don't care, had sex? Or don't care, had measure move?
Yes. Don't care, measure move hit.
Yeah, doesn't matter. It doesn't matter if it goes to zero after, you know.
The TA is respected, that's all. You don't care. After that.
What was the question? It's all good.
Oh, that's what I was talking about. I said if you were Stubbs and if you had no stop loss on the cipher, the bearish cipher, which could have turned into, what did you put it up as?
Which bearish cipher?
Shark. There's the bearish cipher that started. It pulled back a little bit.
Are we talking about Bitcoin or
Bitcoin? Yeah.
Recently?
Yeah, it only retraced like 23%.
Oh, if you're talking about this one, the shark, yeah, this one.
It became a shark, yeah.
Yeah, it retraced actually 61.8% of the way. Well, from the top, I think it went like 786 or close to 78. No, okay, it only went 618.
The cipher's pullback was barely the 236.
Oh, you talking about the bat? They all played out. You're not talking about recently?
Bearish cipher. The blue pattern.
Oh yeah.
Shark.
Yeah, right here. Yeah, 236, and then the hidden divergence.
Just had no stop loss on it. On BitMEX, you literally just got your C hit.
Oh no, wouldn't C be down here? 86.56.
Yeah, on BitMEX.
Oh yeah. BitMEX only. Yeah. It's so weird because it's like not even close, here.
Yeah. Well, yeah, that's where both of those moves were. BitMEX initiated.
That's XBT, right?
XBT USD. Yeah, the perpetual inverse swap contracts. So those are the ones that people go.
Oh my god. Yeah, look at that.
Get wrecked with the wick.
Let's see here. Let's do it.
Arthur turned up the liquidation engine. He's like, brrr. Everyone else is doing the burr, so I'm gonna burr. Even wicked lower than the lowest low.
Dude, that's insane.
Everyone
look at that.
They're like, I'm gonna put my low below this wick. No way it's going down below this. No way, man.
Dude, that's insane.
Dubs is like, yep.
Yeah, dude. I'll get what's going on. Look at that. How gorgeous. Look, traders settle up. Traders settle up. This is kind of off. But then right there, that's beautiful. So this is like, it's the range, man. So you gotta wonder, it could be Wyckoff distribution if you like, if this fails here and you start dumping and then you rally again, you're in phase D. And it's like, it's time to start like, it's possibly time to start like adding to shorts or creating short positions. Like, because phase D will be like, whatever, and it a little more and then dumps down. And then when you start doing the same crap, the little scrub route, and then you dump again. And then when you start getting down here, then it's like, you know, you're about to get wrecked because phase E is about to start. And then
it's hard to tell because
then be like that.
It's had very much followed the markets, but also very much has followed gold.
Yeah.
Is it more with the way Paul Tudor Jones is talking about as a hedge to inflation, another way? And then fundamentally, this is the time for it to work.
Yeah,
you're going to have deflationary aspects for a while, the dollar, but eventually it's going to be not good.
But imagine it like, you know, going down to 7,400, that critical support, and then like, you know, it's like measured move of the whole range, and then this, right? You know, like that could happen, you know, later this year or something. I don't know, you know, it's like things can go through corrections and major uptrends and just eventually make retraces. You know, you think about it, it's like, okay.
Still keep a long-term bullish trend from the
and you just like go down to like 50%, 618s, and then you go again
30,
higher.
3,200, whatever, 4K, and then
618 to 382. This is your common retrace area.
The 382 lines up great with that.
7,800.
Continuation ascending triangle.
7,800?
Yeah, there's a continuation ascending triangle from like late April to May. Did the breakout.
Oh yeah. This here,
which we haven't tested. So
and that's the weekly inverse head and shoulders people are talking about. They just, you know, it's way too early. Yeah, that's an idea. Totally an idea. All right, I think I'm gonna try to get some shut eye. Oh, been a good stream. We've been live for like an hour 45 minutes, so I don't say bad.
Energy is definitely popping on this keto. You can see it, don't I?
Yeah, look, you're literally glowing. Yeah, I know, man. I'm like a pregnant woman. Just kidding.
They don't glow that much, I hate to say.
Yes, they do. They're on keto, they do.
They get red face when they're angry.
My wife is not glowing right now.
Yeah, I was about to say. Em didn't glow once. She got angry as F many times.
Monk ass.
Yeah.
Well,
hormones going nuts.
Well, at least you know, we know what's got to happen. 99.50 probably going to be tested. If it doesn't, that's testament to how bad things are, to bearishness, because you made a lower high. If you don't, I mean, even hitting 99.50 is a lower high. So you've got to hit 99.50 and you've got to break it like pretty bad. I mean, that we're starting to get desperate now. Like it's getting to a point you're running out of time. You really are, I think, because of the channel, man. The upsloping channel. It's like soon you're going to be squeezed between 99.50 and that upsloping support from you know, the beginning. You know, the Bitcoin on the daily, right? This. So running out of time, you've got room to run up, down, up, down, up, down, but eventually one of these areas you're going to break to the upside or downside. But anyway, all right, I'm going to hang up. Tell Katie I say hi. Thanks all patrons for coming out. Y'all are amazing. Really appreciate
Thanks, man.
everything. Yeah. Y'all like can't do this stuff. You know, I can't focus on what y'all want. What y'all like. That's the charts. And maybe some entertainment, whatever, here and there. So, all right. Much love. Holler at
Peace
me.
out. Good night, everyone.
Peace.
All right, y'all.
Good night. Take care.
Later.
See you later.
All right, chat. Just you and me again.
Bruh.
Oh, bad timing to end the stream. It's okay. So you get it, man. We're running out of room, running out of time, chat. You better make a move soon, or bears are gonna take over. So I'll be back. Hope you enjoyed the stream. Thanks for the likes, love, support, contributions. Keto Drink Troll killed it. Till next time, respect the T. Hey.
JP. I am a robot. I like robots. I have a robot vagina.
Do you know the way?
Adios, turd nuggets.